Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the nucleophilic substitution reaction, and we have also studied about the replacement by hydroxy group and replacement by cyanide group and replacement by isocyanide group. And one remaining part of replacement by hydroxycyanide group and isocyanide group we will discuss today. We have prepared alkyl cyanide and alkyl isocyanide by the replacement of halogen atom by cyanide and isocyanide, and the product is obtained alkyl cyanide and alkyl isocyanide. We will discuss here hydrolysis of alkyl cyanide and alkyl isocyanide. Then alkyl cyanide we have prepared when partially hydrolysis to form amide, while when completely hydrolyzed the alkyl cyanide is formed carboxylic acid. Okay, so we will discuss today hydrolysis of alkyl cyanide, which is obtained by the replacement of cyano group of alkanes. Okay, when alkyl cyanide is partially hydrolyzed, the product is obtained known as amide. While the completely hydrolysis takes place, the product obtained known as carboxylic acid. Okay, let us see the reaction when cyanide is partially hydrolysis. In first case, partial hydrolysis. In this case, when concentrated HCl or H2O in basic medium, alkalis medium, take place to form amide with the hydrolysis of alkyl cyanide. When alkyl cyanide is treated with concentrated HCl or water in NaOH, the hydrolysis takes place to form amide or CONH2. Okay, this is known as amide. This is partial hydrolysis. When completely hydrolysis takes place, and completely hydrolysis takes place in the presence of dilute HCl. In the presence of dilute HCl, hydrolysis takes place to form acid. Ammonium chloride as a byproduct. Okay, in this reaction, first of all focus on the condition taken in the reaction. In the presence of concentrated HCl, when hydrolysis takes place with concentrated HCl, it partially hydrolyzed to form amide While in presence of dilute HCl, hydrolysis takes place to form acid and as a byproduct ammonium chloride. Okay, ammonium chloride. Now balance this reaction with 2. Okay, this is acid, carboxylic acid, and this is ammonium chloride. Okay. Now take a reaction C2H5Cn in partial hydrolysis H2O. The condition is concentrated HCl to form C2H5CONH2 is a propanamide. While in case of complete hydrolysis, the condition taken here, dilute HCl, in the presence of dilute HCl, completely hydrolysis take place to form Cn to form C2H5COOH plus NH4Cl as a byproduct. Okay, the reaction is balanced. You can see the condition taken in these reactions. In concentrate HCl, partial hydrolysis takes place to form amide, while in presence of dilute HCl, the complete hydrolysis takes place of cyanide to form acid and as a byproduct ammonium chloride. While in case of isocyanide, when hydrolysis takes place to form primary amine and formic acid. In case of isocyanide, you can write here the hydrolysis of alkyl isocyanide. In alkyl isocyanide, the hydrolysis takes place once again H2O. When alkyl cyanide treated with H2O, that means hydrolysis taken place here in the presence of acid to form primary amine or NH2 plus HCOOH. The reaction balance by multiplying water into 2. Clear? In this reaction you can see when hydrolysis takes place of alkyl isocyanide, it gives primary amine. Okay, and formic acid. You can see the more example. C2H5NC plus H2O in the presence of acid to form C2H5NH2 plus HCOOH, formic acid as a byproduct. Okay, you can balance it by multiplying water molecule into 2. Okay, next, today we will discuss about the second replacement, and in second replacement we are going to study about the replacement by nitro group. Replacement by nitro group. When haloalkanes treated with alcoholic silver nitride to form nitroalkane. Okay, when haloalkanes treated with silver nitride to form alcoholic to form nitroalkane, the elimination of AgX as a byproduct. Okay, next one, replacement by nitrite group. Okay, in this case, when haloalkanes is treated with potassium nitrite to form alkyl nitrite, okay, alkyl nitrite, and as a byproduct potassium halide. Okay, I want to pay your attention on the nitrite group, NO2 nitro group and nitrite group. Okay, this is nitrite group and this is nitro group. Okay, nitro group. Nitrite group is an ambident nucleophile. Now question arises, what is ambident nucleophile? Nucleophile which have two nucleophilic center are called ambident nucleophiles. Nucleophiles which have two nucleophilic centers called ambident nucleophiles. Nitrite group are ambident. Why nitrite group are ambident? In case of silver nitrate, this compound is covalent in nature and the structure of silver nitrate is AgON double bond O and lone pair. Okay, and due to the covalent nature of this group and having a lone pair of electron on the nitrogen atom get attached to the carbon atom of alkyl group and form nitro group in this manner. Okay, so this is known as nitroalkane. While in case of potassium nitrite, this is a ionic compound, and due to ionic compound, the oxygen atom get attached to the carbon of alkyl group and arranged in this manner. Okay, and this is known as nitrite. So the name of this compound is alkyl nitrite. Alkyl nitrite, and the name of this compound is nitroalkane. And nitrite is an ambident ligand. We have told you that what is ambident ligand, what is ambident nucleophiles. Nucleophiles which have two nucleophilic center called ambident ligand. In case of cyanide, you also see that in cyanide nitrogen as well as carbon can attach to the carbon of alkyl group. When carbon is attached to the alkyl group of alkyl halide, it forms cyanide, while when nitrogen is attached to the alkyl group, it forms isocyanide. Okay, now in next topic, second replacement we will discuss, and replacement or reaction with ammonia, or second is reaction with ammonia. When haloalkanes treated with ammonia in the presence of alcohol to form a mixture of primary, secondary, tertiary amine and the quaternary salt, or you can say the quaternary salt of nitrogen. Okay, see here, when haloalkanes treated with ammonia NH3, the presence of alcohol to form a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amine with quaternary salt. Okay, and this reaction is known as Huffman's reaction. This reaction is known as Huffman's reaction. Okay, very important reaction. This reaction is known as Huffman's reaction. Okay, now see the reaction. One hydrogen and one halogen replace from this compound to form RNH2. It is a primary amine. When primary amine, the elimination of HX. When primary amine react with second molecule of alkyl halide like this, R NH2 plus RH, same condition to form R NH R and plus HX as a byproduct. This is secondary amine. Secondary amine. When secondary amine treated with next molecule of alkyl halide to form tertiary amine with the ligation of one molecule of halogen acid. Okay, when tertiary amine R and R treated with next molecule of alkyl halide, it forms quaternary salt like this, for N positive and X negative. Okay, this is known quaternary salt. Okay, this is tertiary amine. Okay, now you can give example by taking the alkyl group, and alkyl group you can take as your wish, methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl as you wish. Okay, now see the example of this reaction. First of all, let's take C2H5Cl plus NH3, the presence of alcohol to form C2H5NH2 plus HCl as a byproduct. Once again, this reaction C2H5NH2 when treated with second molecule of C2H5Cl to form C2H5 whole twice NH, diethylamine, ethylamine, diethylamine. Okay, next, when diethylamine C2H5 whole twice NH treated with next molecule of C2H5Cl to form C2H5 whole thrice and triethylamine with the elimination of HCl, and then triethylamine C2H5 whole thrice and treated with next molecule of ethyl chloride to form C2H5 का whole 4 and get positive charge and Cl get negative charge, and this is a salt, okay, quaternary salt. You can name this compound is tetraethyl ammonium chloride. Tetraethyl ammonium chloride. Tetraethyl ammonium chloride. Okay. Okay. In next topic we will discuss about the reaction with metals. Okay, reaction of haloalkanes with metals. Okay, thank you, all the best.